Hello friends, how you all doing? In today's video we're gonna show you how to wrap a cat for Christmas. All you need for this is a cat and a wrapping paper and a helper. Alright, let's get to it. Some cats are very calm and mine constantly wants to walk. So I'm gonna have to feed him while I'm doing this. Okay. Alright. There you go. That's how you wrap a cat for Christmas. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you next time.